Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to convert Canva websites to Google sites. First, head over to the Canva site you want to convert, and for here you first need to publish your website, so go ahead and publish it. Now once done, just click on the share button at the top right and click on see all. Now choose on embed. For here, copy your HTML embed code. After that, go to your Google site and click a blank site. Now, I'm just gonna delete this one. And in here on the right panel, choose on embed and go to embed code. Now just paste the code from Canva and click next and insert it. And there you have it. You can resize it according to your site. Now if you view it, you will see your Canva website to your Google site. And if you want to edit your website, just go to Canva. And in here, if you edit your design, for example, this text here, and click on Publish Website and republish it again, if you go back to your Google site and refresh it, you will see that the changes is applied to it also. And that's just it. That's how you convert Canva website to Google site. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.